Let me ask you something. Which of these trend lines is correct? The one touching every candle, or the one touching only a few important swings? If you can move the line until it fits, is it really the market talking, or is it your opinion? Trend lines don't predict the future. They simply help us visualize direction, but only if they're drawn correctly. This is the mistake most beginners make. They keep adjusting the line until it matches their expectation. That's not analysis. That's confirmation bias. Instead, start with the obvious swing lows or swing highs. If the trend line appears naturally, keep it. If you have to force it, ignore it. Your turn. Which trend line would you keep? Chart A. Chart B is forced to connect all swings. Wick is wrong. We just need to connect at least with 2 swings and leave the market. Don't adjust further. Let's test your eyes. Here's a real chart. Where would you draw the trend line? See, we have connected trend line, 3 swing lows, and for the 4th time, market beautifully respected. People will often confused about trend lines weighing because they think that they're a single line. But like support and resistance, they trend lines also zones. One more thing, a broken trend line doesn't automatically mean the trend is over. It simply tells you momentum may be changing. Always confirm with market structure. The next time you draw a trend line, don't ask, "Can I make this line fit?" Ask, "Would someone else draw the same line?" If the answer is yes, you're probably reading the chart objectively. If you're learning chart reading from scratch, subscribe to the Chart Reader. Next episode, we'll learn why one simple moving average can completely change how you see a trend. Until then, read the chart, understand the story. Indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.